G'day folks, so we got ourselves a nice piece of maple here. I'm going to see if we can make some bowls out of this. So we're just getting started here. Hey folks, how's everybody doing? Hope you're all well. My name's Phil. This week we got a bigger project. Got a big piece of maple, and we're gonna probably make a bunch of bowls, some fairly decent sized bowls out of this. So we're gonna put it in the pail and put some epoxy on it and vacuum, pressure, all that fun stuff, and core some bowls out of this. So let's get at her. This is an older pail, so I'm really going to use lots of mold release this time. About 3 times more than normal. Okay. Shot of glue right in the middle on both sides. Okay, drop it in. Okay, there we go. So we'll take that over to the vacuum pot and pre-vacuum for a bit, and then we'll mix up some epoxy and get her going. I don't know, not sure what color I'm going to use yet. Probably something along red. Red usually goes pretty well with the maple. Maybe green too, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so get a bag on this. Some bigger bowls like this, so there, that should work just fine and dandy. Hello everyone. Okay, so we're going to do a 3-liter pour here on this maple set. Deep cast from Designer Epoxy. Okay, so 2 liters of A. You can probably see my bucket looks dirty, but it's just the last batch of epoxy I mixed. I don't cleaning these out with acetone just makes you buy more buckets, and it comes out pretty easy. Even spray with mold release, and you can blow it out with an air gun usually. So, okay, so some maple. Let's go with a little bit of ghost red and lilac. Ghost red and lilac. We'll try that today. Hoping to get about 4 bowls out of this set here. Okay, there we go. That's going to be nice. All right, give her a mix. There we go. Don't forget your sides and bottom. So what we're going to do, this is going to be our primary color, and then I'm going to chase it with some different colors down the sides. Okay, so we're going to start with 3 liters, and then we are going to see where it sits after that. 3 liters, ghost red and lilac. So there, it comes close to the top, so I'm going to vacuum this for a while, and then I will add my side colors. So this is going to take at least an hour, maybe more, it just depends. Got a lot of wood here to deal with, so I'll be back at the end. That's full vacuum for probably 5 minutes now, so I think we'll shut her down and move it into the pressure pot. Oh dear. Oh dear. You certainly got a problem. Do we? Oh, maybe not. That's a close fit. That is a close fit. But it fit. Okay, so I'm going to pressure this up for a couple hours while I do some editing, and then we'll top this up. We're going to put maybe even 4 different colors down the sides. Okay, 60 pounds. Come back in about 4 hours. Okay, there, have a look at that. How far down that dropped. So that took up a lot. That's 3 liters I put in there. That's about a 2-gallon, 8-liter bucket. So, okay, we'll mix up some more and see if we can get some color separation here. We're going to do a simultaneous pour, one on each side. And I will check this in the morning as well. Okay, let's have a look. Next day. Morning, everybody. Okay, so this is done, but it's a little soft, so I'm going to put this in put it in the kiln and let it harden up. But she's stuck in there. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can get this out. Looks like it's coming loose pretty good there. Man, that is hard. Just gotta get that in there. Yep. No relief, everybody. That is awesome. Wow. If you've ever fought with something to get it out, that is nice. I'm going to make bowls out of this. I'm going to core this. Oh, I got a little thermal crack here, eh? Look at that. I'm going to core these into bowls. So hopefully that'll turn out. Look at that, eh? All the different colors and the different layers I poured it. But yeah, boy, the thermal cracking. Wow. Don't get that very often. Yes. No, I don't think it's in my bucket. That's... Yeah, don't see that very often. But anyway. Okay, I'll take this to the lathe and find some centers and get doing some coring.